मैं उतनी ओपन नहीं थी शेयर करने के, वेदर इन क्लास, वेदर इन माई फ्रेंड सर्कल. सो आई वॉज अ वेरी शाय पर्सनैलिटी. मतलब मुझे सच में 2 दिन पहले से, रात में सोने से पहले बहुत माइंड मेकअप करना पड़ेगा कि अनुवा तुझे करना है, तुझे ऐसे 100 लोग के सामने जाके प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. एंड इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. सबका जर्नी बहुत अलग होता है. समबडी विल एक्सेल इन द फर्स्ट ईयर, समबडी विल टेक 5 एक्स्ट्रा ईयर्स एंड दे विल एक्सेल इन द 6th ईयर. एंड बाय दिस टाइम ना, वो जितना करेज था ना, वो नर्वसनेस में कन्वर्ट हो चुका था. माई लेग्स वर शेकिंग, माई palms are already very sweaty. I remember, this makes me remember, Amit ने मुझे एक बात बोली थी before Shark Tank. तो he said, when you grow ना, one of the easiest things to ignore is customer experience. It's the easiest to ignore. But if you really want to thrive in long run, your customer experience doesn't need to be good. It has to be brilliant, Anuva.
True.
Get your hands dirty.
Tell us a little bit about who do you think is the best shark?
How to be out of that fear of failure.
Imagining the worst helps a lot. You have to imagine the worst and be okay with that, and only then do it. If you're not okay with the worst outcome of your steps, then don't do it. Do you cry?
Oh, I cry a lot.
Hello everyone, welcome to Barta India Dekho, a podcast series by Kardekho Group. Barta India Dekho is about entrepreneurs in Bharat. Their journeys, their starts, their stops, their failures, their rejections, their successes, their funding rounds, their unit economics, their revenue potential, and every other story that helps you understand what can you do about your dreams. My name is Debojit. I'm the founder for Cracked. Cracked is an upskilling platform for freshers and early professionals that eliminates the famous skill gap between education and profession. We work with close to 500 colleges in India and close to 150 corporates in India, and our platform brings them together so that students and participants in India become more employable, and thus Bharat moves forward. In today's episode, we have Anubha. Anubha Kakkar is the founder for Tiggle. Yes, you've seen that episode, right, on Shark Tank. Tiggle is a hot chocolate brand which is making waves currently in the chocolate industry. Anubha has had a fantastic journey of starting the brand and at such a young age scaling it to reasonable limits already. Have you tried Tiggle yet? Well, maybe you would want to try it after today's episode. Enjoy the episode. Thank you so much, Anubha, for coming to Barta India Dekho, and our audience, just like me, is very, very glad to have you here.
Super excited to be here and just chat with you.
What do you think is the one word or one phrase people use when you are in the room about you?
I think joyful would be one.
Okay.
Yeah, joyful. Fun.
Okay, and do you think that's a great personal brand to have as an entrepreneur?
I also feel I'm so young in the journey. Every day I am discovering my own leadership skills. When I started this company alone. I was the only person working on A to Z everything. Uske baad one person joined the team. And today when we are speaking, we are 16 people in the team.
Nice.
Now with 16 people, you cannot be the who you were when there were only 2 people in the team.
I agree.
Right? So I also changed a lot in the last 3 years from being joyful and fun to also navigating ki kaun se movements pe you have to take the leadership role, right?
Tell me a little from the beginning, maybe introducing yourself as a person to the audience. How was your childhood? How did you grow up? Who were you as a kid in school? A little bit about your family, about your values.
Got it. So काफ़ी पीछे जाते हैं फिर. I was born in Agra. तो मैंने अपना 12th तक पढ़ाई आगरा से ही किया है. स्कूल टाइम पे मुझे याद है I was a very shy introvert kid. I would prefer to be in my own bubble. मुझे ज़्यादा मेरे दिमाग में थॉट्स होते थे, ओपिनियंस होते थे, बट मैं उतनी ओपन नहीं थी शेयर करने के, वेदर इन क्लास, वेदर इन माई फ्रेंड सर्कल. सो आई वॉज अ वेरी शाय पर्सनैलिटी. एंड क्योंकि मैं ऐसी थी, मुझे लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम ऑफ माई लाइफ मुझे लगता था कि मैं एक इंट्रोवर्ट इंसान हूँ. दो मेरी मदर का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बहुत चीज़ों से एक्सपोज करने की कोशिश करी बचपन में ही. Every summer vacation she will put me in swimming class or badminton class or guitar class. So वो मुझे expose करती थी. But I preferred being in my own bubble. That's what my comfort zone was. which was also not a nice thing. I remember in my, I think 9th standard or 10th standard, I was bullied. Right? Bullied for like some small things. तो वो जब आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, तो वो आपको और ज़्यादा पीछे कर देता है लाइफ में.
Right.
आपको लगता है you are not meant to be in the public.
Correct.
आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल ऑलरेडी कम है, और कम हो गया.
Ragging has a similar impact also.
Similar, right?
Right.
तो वो हुआ. तो till my 12th my journey was, you know, being in my own bubble, still exploring things but not sharing. तो 3 साल अपनी पढ़ाई की जो किताबें हैं वो पढ़ने से ज़्यादा मैंने वो इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर में लोगों की पिचेस सुनी है. And that, like, seeing people, how they talk, how they present themselves, observing them gave me so much exposure how I want to present myself.
So मतलब if we look at even data, at least half the population is introvert, right? And the rest half would be the ones who are always visible, etc. For all the people who are listening to this podcast now, who are also struggling in their own mind how to express, how to follow our dreams, our aspirations, what path do you suggest to them to come out of that shell and maybe expose yourself to the world and actually follow your dreams?
I think I always resist giving like advice, but what happened or what helped me was speaking to people.
One-on-one.
One-on-one, or I think in today's age I would say just googling out, just YouTubing and seeing how people conduct themselves, trying something new. Like for example, trying theatre. I'll have to push myself extra hard. मतलब मुझे सच में 2 दिन पहले से, रात में सोने से पहले बहुत माइंड मेकअप करना पड़ेगा कि अनुवा तुझे करना है, तुझे ऐसे 100 लोगों के सामने जाके प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. एंड इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क जो बैक एंड पे होता है, जो दिखता नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू डू इट, राइट? द पाथ विच आई टुक वाज आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड पुशिंग माई सेल्फ अ लॉट. वन थिंग विच आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू ऑलवेज शेयर ऑल्सो कि सबका जर्नी बहुत अलग होता है, राइट? समबडी विल एक्सेल इन द फर्स्ट ईयर, समबडी विल टेक 5 extra years एंड दे विल एक्सेल इन द 6th year. सो टेक योर ओन टाइम, इतना रश भी मत करो, बट कीप पुशिंग योर सेल्फ लाइक 1 step at a time maybe.
But you are relatively successful at a very young age, so coming from you, it might sound like कि ये तो successful हो गई है, हमें क्यों कह रही है कि wait and take your time?
I think I'm also very young in the journey, too early in the journey to say that I have reached where I want to.
Sure, makes sense.
But I think one thing, so I'll share one example with you. So I remember मैं गुड़गांव आई थी सबसे पहली बार अपनी इंटर्नशिप के लिए, और मैंने एक एक्सेल शीट बनाई. उसमें मैंने कुछ 18-20 लोगों का नाम लिखा जिनसे मैं मिलना चाहती हूँ.
अच्छा, गुड़गांव में, दिल्ली में. Big people.
Not big people, not people who have like 1,000 crore का revenue already,
okay,
or more.
Okay.
People who are doing something fun in their life, something which is unconventional.
Okay.
तो unconventional as a word भी मुझे बहुत, I'm drawn towards it. People who are doing, not taking the normal, चलो 10th कर लिया, 12th कर लिया, college कर लिया, अभी तो job चल रही है लाइफ, ऑटो पायलट पे लाइफ चल रही है, वो मुझे इतना एक्साइट नहीं करता था. तो when I say phenomenal people who are doing something unconventional, this is what I mean. I mean people who write blogs on the weekends, people who travel to the villages of India to explore what's beyond the normal city life.
Right.
People who are side hustling, building something of their own at a young age, or at an age where people expect कि अब तो आपका रिटायरमेंट हो जाना चाहिए था. तो मैंने ऐसे कुछ 18-20 लोगों का लिस्ट बनाया, और मैंने साइड में उनका लिखा कि वो कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिव हैं. सो सम पीपल वर मोर एक्टिव ऑन लिंक्डइन, सम वर मोर एक्टिव ऑन देयर इंस्टाग्राम, एंड आई स्टार्टेड रीचिंग आउट टू दीज पीपल. लिंक्डइन में मैसेज डाल दिया, इंस्टा पे मैसेज डाल दिया कि हे आई एम इन गुड़गांव, दिस इज व्हाट आई डू, लिटिल बिट अबाउट माई बैकग्राउंड, एंड आई वुड लव टू मीट यू ऑन द वीकेंड.
You met them?
I met them. So I met Debujit. I met this 50-year-old man who is building his own. So I met him over breakfast.
Okay.
And he sharing his story of कि वो क्या build कर रहे हैं, कैसे build कर रहे हैं, क्यों इतने time तक job करने के बाद अब क्या एक drive है to build something. Then I met this 18-year-old, 19-year-old guy who sold his startup at that age. Who built something for, I think, good 2 years, and he sold it, and now he's in Gurgaon figuring out life. I met somebody who write blogs, wonderful blogs. So when I met such people who are doing unconventional things in life, it inspired me so much to look beyond 10th हो गया, 12th हो गया, college हो गया, अब placement है तो placement best crack करना है.
Right.
And I think that was one activity which I did which inspired me a lot.
Fantastic, fantastic. And a lot of examples that you're already giving shows the curiosity part of you that pushed you to experience something new.
Yeah.
99% of the people that we're surrounded with just don't come out of their comfort zones throughout their lives.
Yeah.
And here we are sitting with a very young entrepreneur of Bharat who is talking about so many experiments she has already done with her life. What's the message you want to leave with therefore youngsters, or forget youngsters, people of all ages, that why should they experiment? What's the fun? What's the happiness? Or what is that courage required in order to experiment with your life?
I think it also depends on what really you want to do. आपको क्या करना है? मेरे साथ हमेशा, मैंने जैसे आपको स्टार्टिंग में भी बोला, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्लाइंड थी इस वर्ड के अनकन्वेंशनल. मुझे लगता था मुझे अनकन्वेंशनल चीज़ें करनी है. When we are speaking, I have reached a position and I'm very glad and grateful I have कि अब I'm not shy. अब I'm not that shy personality who I was. You see my group class photo of 10th standard. You can spot how nervous.
Yeah, hiding behind somewhere.
Hiding behind how not confident she is. कुछ नहीं कर पाएगी ये तो लाइफ में. मुझे लगता था ऐसा. Though I belong from a family or I'm raised by a mother who is very inspiring, but मैं पता नहीं क्यों ऐसी थी, uninspiring सी, डरी हुई सी. And now when I look back at that 10th का group photo, मुझे बहुत अच्छा feel होता है कि all the decisions I took in my life, now I can go on a stage and speak in front of people. I'll not shy away.
You spoke about Tiggle. Maybe we can pick up the beginning part of the story of Tiggle, of how it happened and how did you start the company. Even before that, how did that idea come in? And what maybe one skill that helped you to start a company like this and maybe reach to a little extent where you have reached right now?
Right. So what Tiggle is today is very different from where we started. बहुत ज़्यादा अलग था. मैं आपको बताती हूँ थॉट कैसे आया. चॉकलेट ड्रिंक्स में एक ब्रांड बनाने का. मैं गुड़गांव में जॉब करी थी.
कहाँ पे?
आई वॉज इन अर्बन क्लैब पहले, देन आई वॉज विद अगला सेम. माई मोस्टली कुछ 10-11 महीने का ही मेरा कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. एंड आई वॉज वर्किंग विद कॉन्टेंट मार्केटिंग साइड. तो लेकिन पहला जॉब था कॉलेज के बाद. घर से थोड़ा प्रेशर था कि MBA करो, अभी पढ़ाई ख़त्म थोड़ी नहीं हुई है. मैं उतनी श्योर नहीं थी उस टाइम पे, तो मैंने कहा अभी 1 साल रुकते हैं, थोड़ा जॉब वॉब करके देखते हैं. कॉलेज में ऑलरेडी इतनी पिक्चर्स सुन ली थी लोगों की, तो वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जो एक कीड़ा होता है ना, वो कॉलेज में छू के निकल चुका था. तो जब ऐसा होता है ना, तो आप हर चीज़ को बहुत कीनली ऑब्जर्व करते हो. आपको लगता है ये ग्लास का शेप ऐसा क्यों है, क्या ये जितना ml है, क्या हमको उतना ml ही चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए. You observe everything very keenly, right?
You're talking like Rabindranath Tagore, by the way. That's exactly what he mentioned. That all answers are with keen observation.
Oh, okay.
And it's all around us. We don't have to look too far.
Yeah, so I was just observing things. ठीक है, तो हमारा जैसे लंच ब्रेक है ऑफिस में, तो सामने 24/7 का आउटलेट था. It's a modern trade store.
Yes.
तो उधर जाके बहुत जाते थे हम उधर. कभी आइसक्रीम खाने का मन किया, कभी स्नैकिंग का मन किया. तो मुझे आता है वही एटीट्यूड जो एक बहुत नेचुरली था. ऐसा नहीं कि ये सब आप बिल्ड करते हो ना, मतलब नेचुरल हो जाता है. इट जस्ट बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ हु यू आर. तो मैं उधर 24/7 के आउटलेट में ऐसे घूम रही हूँ शेल्फ्स के बीच में, और मैं हर एक पैकेट को बड़ा ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ. तो मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस करी कि जो कोल्ड बेवरेज का ड्रिंक्स का सेक्शन होता है ना, वो बहुत बड़ा होता है. आप किसी भी मॉडर्न ट्रेड आउटलेट में चले जाओ, इट विल बी बिग. उसमें आपका हेल्थ ड्रिंक्स, सोडास, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी, आइस टी सब होएगा. छाछ एंड ऑल, ये सब कितनी वेराइटीज़ हैं.
राइट.
अब आप हॉट के सेक्शन में देखोगे तो आपको टी दिखेगा, कॉफ़ी दिखेगा, उसमें भी वही ओल्ड एज ब्रांड्स, कुछ मतलब 2-4 जो नाम हैं वो ही दिखते हैं. तो मैंने कहा ये दोनों ही ड्रिंक्स के सेक्शन में एक कितना बड़ा एक इतना छोटा, तो व्हाट्स इट कि टी और कॉफी के अलावा कुछ और बियॉन्ड नहीं है क्या? दैट अगेन व्हाट टिगल इज टुडे, इट्स स्लाइटली डिफरेंट, वी आल्सो पिवटेड इन द जर्नी थोड़ा, बट दिस वाज द प्राइमरी थॉट। और मैं बचपन से, मुझे याद है मैं रो देती थी अगर मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे दूध आके दे दिया जिसमें चॉकलेट मिक्स नहीं है,
सिर्फ मिल्क नहीं
हाँ,
चाहिए।
आई विल नॉट ड्रिंक दैट प्लेन मिल्क, सो आई ऑलवेज ड्रैंक समथिंग विद चॉकलेट, ठीक है, whatever was available back in those
But
days.
most kids love chocolate, right?
Most kids, yeah. I think you must have also
Yes.
like grown drinking those chocolate milks
Yes.
or something.
It was always a favorite. But how did it become a passion area कि
हाँ,
chocolate?
तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि ये कुछ ऐसी चीज होगी जिसमें मैं ब्रांड बिल्ड करना चाहूँ।
Right.
तो जब देवजीत मैंने ये चीज देखी कि यार कुछ है ही नहीं, मतलब कुछ तो हो सकता है ना। अब टी भी थी हमारे कंट्री में, फिर उसका एक पूरा एवोल्यूशन हुआ, ग्रीन टीज आया, फिर ये सब आया, फिर कॉफी इज ऑल्सो, कॉफी ऑलवेज एग्जिस्टेड बट इट्स द लास्ट 1.5 to 2 decades जब इट बिकेम सो बिग इन द कंट्री। अभी 5 साल में कितनी ब्रांड्स आ गई कॉफीज की भी, स्पेशलिटी कॉफी आ गया, फिर पूरा जर्नी ऑफ कॉफी फ्लेवर्ड कॉफीज आ गया।
करेक्ट।
तो मेरे दिमाग में यही था कि और कुछ क्यों नहीं है, बट तब तक ये नहीं था कि चॉकलेट ड्रिंक्स कुछ हो सकता है। Now, I being somebody who drinks a lot of it, I used to once in a while order hot chocolate from one of these cafes in Gurgaon, and those were costly. 250 rupees you have to shell out for one cup.
Correct.
And my first job, I don't earn that much money, so shelling out 250 rupees for one cup of good chocolate drink is a lot. And if you go to the market to buy what's available, it's not something which is exceptionally good. आप उसमें परसेंटेज ऑफ कोको देखोगे, वन ऑफ द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज्ड टू मेक चॉकलेट ड्रिंक्स, इट्स सो लिटिल। तो मुझे लगा यार कि तो कुछ तो गैप है। सो ऑल ऑफ दीज छोटे छोटे इंसिडेंट्स लिंक हुए, फिर आइडिया आया कि हम कुछ चॉकलेट ड्रिंक्स में नहीं कर सकते हैं। और ये आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में गुड 2-3 मंथ्स रहा, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, बस आइडिया है। सो somebody said this to me once कि any idea which comes from your own brain will always feel like $1 billion idea, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग से आया ना, but you have to first validate it with whatever resources you have. And ये बात मैंने कही तो सही बात है, क्या करूँगी मैं, idea will be dead in a few days, weeks. Then the fun part started. So I purchased a second-hand table, a big steel jar. I designed and printed some pamphlets. वो डिस्पोजेबल कप्स खरीदे, और इस टाइम तक मैं एक बेसिक सी रेसिपी क्रैक कर चुकी थी। तो मैंने लिक्विड वर्जन बनाया, मतलब हॉट चॉकलेट का, और DLF Phase 3 मेट्रो स्टेशन, यू नो, आई वेंट आउटसाइड दैट। So and it's a very nice area.
Yeah.
You have all your big fours there.
Yes.
Good corporate culture है, तो the crowd is also something
Yes.
which understands.
Looks like the most beautiful place in Gurgaon.
है ना?
Yeah.
So वहाँ पे एक उस मेट्रो स्टेशन के बाहर मैं and this white table which was really heavy. और इतना बड़ा मेरे पास बैग था, उस बैग के अंदर मेरा स्टील जार था।
You carried the table.
I carried the table. I had this big bag जिसके अंदर हॉट चॉकलेट बना हुआ है, और स्टील जार के अंदर, उसी के अंदर मेरे पैम्पलेट्स और ये सब पड़े थे। और मैं एक दुकान पे गई, मैंने कहा भैया मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी होके थोड़ी देर ये कुछ सेल करना है, बेचूं। मैंने कुछ आई थिंक 40 कप बनाए होंगे, 30-40 कप, ठीक है।
खड़े होकर बेचना शुरू कर।
मुझे माय बेसिक आइडिया वाज टुडे आई विल गो आउट ऑन द रोड्स एंड सेल दिस प्रोडक्ट।
ओके।
एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ करेज कि आई विल डू दिस। सो आई वेंट एंड इट वाज 6:30-ish।
पुलिस नहीं आई?
आई विल टेल यू द होल स्टोरी।
ओके।
सो आई वेंट टू दिस स्टोर, टू दिस अंकल, एंड वहाँ पे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे शॉप्स हैं। तो उन्होंने मुझे मना कर दिया, नहीं आप जाओ यहाँ से। एंड वियर्ड ऑल्सो, राइट? उनका मना करना वॉज फेयर। फिर आई वेंट टू दिस अनदर जूस शॉप अंकल, कि अंकल मैं यहाँ पे खड़े होके थोड़ी देर सेल करूँ, आधा घंटा लगेगा बस। उन्होंने भी मुझे मना कर दिया। द स्टोरी समथिंग विच वी राइट ऑन आवर website also. It's very something which is the day is very close to my heart.
Yeah.
So I went to this biryani shop uncle. Same question, uncle मैं यहाँ पे खड़े होके कुछ करूँ क्या? He said yes. तो उन्होंने मुझे जगह दी जहाँ पे मैंने अपना वाइट टेबल रखा, मैंने अपना बैग खोल के अपना वो स्टील जार रखा, पूरा सेटअप किया। आई स्टार्टेड, एंड बाय दिस टाइम ना वो जितना करेज था ना वो नर्वसनेस में कन्वर्ट हो चुका था। माई लेग्स वर शेकिंग, माई पाम्स वर ऑलरेडी वेरी स्वेटी थी, और 7 बज गए होंगे तब तक, अंधेरा था। और सबका जाने का टाइम था, तो I started giving pamphlets to people. Good 5-7 minutes nobody came, but then people came. There was a full queue of people, and I remember it took me exactly 52 minutes right from the time I reached the biryani shop to sell the entire big steel jar which I made.
पूरा. And how many
Some
customers?
30-40 cups were there, तो I
bad.
sold. एक दो लोग दो लेके गए. लास्ट में एक इंसान खड़ा हुआ था with a small
Kid.
like kid, जो जिनको चाहिए था. He was waiting for his turn, और but उनके लिए नहीं था. And I was not giving this for free. I was charging I think 30 rupees per cup, because free में it will be like, oh, she giving something for free,
हाँ.
right? तो वो जो money I was collecting at that time and this whole experience, that gave me a lot of.
How old were you?
I was 21 exactly.
Wow.
So and then I went back home. I was like, बढ़िया, अब तो ये रोज करेंगे.
And you spoke about your mom a few times. What role has she played in this entire journey? If you feel that there has been.
She has played a significant role. She's the one right now, by the way, who handles our factory also.
Oh.
Yeah. Now we have one more person क्योंकि थोड़ा load ज़्यादा हो गया है, and she's also a certain age, so she also needs to be इतना stress नहीं ले सकते. It's very stressful. Like
So
any
she's-
factory management is
She's
stressful.
not a banker anymore. She's
She's
with you.
retired.
She's okay.
Retired. After 15 days of her retirement, she joined Tiggle as a factory person. तब हमारे factory में भी 2 लोग थे. अभी we are 8 people in the factory. So yeah, but she has played a big role. Just because she was very hardworking, she's still very hardworking. The way she is managing the factory, I sometimes like that is one department जो मुझे देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Now that Tiggle started, right, end of 2021 and 20, sorry, and how were the first 1 or 2 years? What kind of challenges did you face? What kind of growth happened? First 6 months to 1 year, let's say.
So first 6 months to 1 year was this time period जब कोविड का वेव था, लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे थे, तो बहुत इजी था टू पिक इट अप. उतना एफर्ट्स ही नहीं लगा. पहला साल में जो हमने रेवेन्यू भी किया, वो तो मेरे लिए बहुत अनबिलीवेबल था, क्योंकि अगेन पहले साल में वी वर 2-3 पीपल इन द टीम.
Right.
एक जना था फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, एक जना फॉर विद मी टू सोशल मीडिया एड्स एंड ऑल. तो first year was nice because it was work from home, word of mouth, wow, it just picked up, right? The second year was hard for us in the journey. Second year is the one जहाँ हमने experiment किया.
नहीं, first year में revenue कितना था?
So we did 74 lakhs in our first year.
That's very good.
And with like little to no information. That might be good for us, that might not be good for somebody, that might be brilliant for somebody.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
our stage, वो अच्छा रेवेन्यू था, क्योंकि इतना पता ही नहीं था ना कि D2C चलेगा कैसे.
2-3 लोग
थे.
Just the first trial at entrepreneurship.
Just the first वो बस लॉन्च कर दिया.
Yeah.
सोशल मीडिया अच्छे से करते थे, राइट. सेकेंड ईयर हमने गलती करी, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर में हमें लगा अरे हमने तो कर लिया, अब तो हम सेकेंड ईयर में, अब तो हम बहुत स्मार्ट लोग हैं. तो हमें यही लगा कि हम बहुत स्मार्ट हैं, हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. तो सेकेंड ईयर में हमने मिस्टेक्स करी, बहुत प्यारी प्यारी मिस्टेक्स करी. गलत लोगों को हायर कर लिया, एजेंसी के साथ काम कर लिया.
ये सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ये प्यारा मिस्टेक करते हैं,
तो
टू हायर रॉन्ग पीपल.
या वी वर्कड विद एन एजेंसी, वी पेड देम बिग मनी टू रन आवर एड्स. से पहले मैं करती थी. मैंने कहा मुझे इतना ही आता है और तो कोई चलाएंगे. बट होता क्या ना, आपको अपना बिजनेस आता है, आपको लगता है कि आपको नहीं आता, लेकिन आपको फंडामेंटल्स आते हैं.
राइट.
वो फंडामेंटल्स नहीं मैच हुए, वो गलती करी, ज़्यादा स्पेंड कर दिया कहीं पे, ये सोच के कि अरे पहले साल में तो हमने किया, अब तो डबल ट्रिपल करेंगे. तो सेकेंड ईयर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग्स, वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ डाउनफॉल ऑल्सो. बट सेकेंड ईयर के बाद जब व्हेन वी एंटर्ड आवर थर्ड ईयर, विच इज़ दिस लास्ट ईयर विच वी कंप्लीटेड, वी जस्ट मेड श्योर कि हमने जो भी गलती करी है हम वो रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, और वी विल वर्क हार्डर. सो थर्ड ईयर वी रियली वर्कड हार्ड. Third year is also when our Shark Tank happened, right? That is also one thing. Then we were able to navigate कि growth कैसे करनी है. Second year में ना हम थोड़े भटक गए, हमें समझ नहीं आया हमें करना क्या है.
थोड़ा numerically explain ना, जैसे you said 74 lakhs in the first year.
So we did 74 lakhs. Our second year was also 74 lakhs.
Okay.
Which is not what we wanted.
Yeah.
Right? We wanted more. We wanted at least double.
Of course.
But the other thing was also the seasonality and the COVID impact. अब सब लोग, तो if you remember during the COVID, recipe videos started to go viral. कितना लोग सब लोग कुकिंग कर रहे हैं, कॉफीज बना रहे हैं, चॉकलेट. तो वो हमने that helped us in the first year. सेकेंड ईयर में हम कुछ अलग ही नहीं कर पाए, हम कुछ फिगर ही नहीं कर पाए कि क्या करें, हाउ डू वी नेविगेट ग्रोथ. एंड not the whole second year, obviously towards the end of the second year we started working towards planning the next year. Plus hot chocolate का एक seasonality impact भी होता है, वो हम navigate नहीं कर पाए. So third year came and the first thing we launched, obviously after listening to the trends, to the customers, is we launched this one product called, it's one of the best sellers in Tiggle, called 55% dark iced chocolate.
Okay.
Particularly crafted for summers. It's very light on stomach and it's very like perfectly chocolatey drink, right? So it's a good replacement for your regular like ठंडे में क्या पीना है, ठीक है, कॉफी पीते हो आप, बट बोर हो जाओगे ना कॉफी से, आइस टी पीते हो, तो it's to place it in the similar category. And that product blew off. We were able to do numbers like Shark Tank. मुझे याद है हम लोग जब पिच कर रहे थे तब हम ऑलरेडी वो रेवेन्यू कर चुके थे जो हमने पिछले साल किया. And it was the first week I think of October, first or second week of October. So yeah. So third year we did 2.2 crores in sales. Yeah.
Amazing. What's the plan for the next 1 or 2 years? I mean, from 2.2 crores to what this year, and then what next year?
So this year we want to focus on more channels. Particularly if I mention 2 channels, one is our entire partnerships and B2B, which includes your gifting companies के साथ tie up, होरेका होटल्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स, कैफेज के साथ टाई अप, रिटेल, ये हमारा पार्टनरशिप में आता है जिसमें होरेका सबसे बड़ा है आज और उसमें पोटेंशियल भी इस साल बड़ा रहने का. दूसरा चैनल इज अ क्विक कॉमर्स. क्विक कॉमर्स currently is only 3% of our वो, because we just started with Blinkit.
You want to expand that channel?
We want to expand that. We also see potential कि वो expand होगा. So ये 2 channels में हमारा focus है और बढ़ाने का. Obviously, our website is something which contributes to 65% of the sales. तो वो तो बढ़ाना ही है. राइट, बट वो करते आ रहे तो एक एक्सपीरियंस है थोड़ा, लेकिन पार्टनरशिप्स और होरेका ये जो हो गया प्लस क्विक कॉमर्स हो गए, नए चैनल्स हैं तो ये वो फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं. तो वी एम टू डू 8 crores to 10 crores का ब्रैकेट में
this
financial year. Yeah.
And but for that you need a lot of more people, lot more distribution, and therefore has your hiring strategy kind of evolved over time?
Yeah, I remember, this makes me remember अमित ने मुझे एक बात बोली थी बिफोर शार्क टैंक, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, राइट, हायरिंग में भी. अब आप उन्होंने बोला था कि वन ऑफ द थिंग्स यू नीड टू रिमेंबर व्हेन यू ग्रो, एंड शार्क टैंक से कोई एक्सपोजर आपको मिलता है, तो ही सेड व्हेन यू ग्रो ना, वन ऑफ द ईजिएस्ट थिंग्स टू इग्नोर इज कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस. It's the easiest to ignore. But if you really want to thrive in long run, your customer experience doesn't need to be good, it has to be brilliant, Anuva.
True.
The next week is when we started hiring for that role. Today
for
we have
experience.
For customer experience. Now customer experience, people say it's the easiest to hire. क्या करना है, बात ही तो करनी है. But नहीं, you have to build a relationship, a rapport with the customer.
Delight the customer.
Delight the customer.
Every
so
time.
we call it also customer delight lead.
Sure.
So बहुत मतलब मुझे लगता है दिस इज वन ऑफ द हार्डेस्ट रोल, बिकॉज लाइक दिस हैज टू बी समबडी जिसके लिए बात करना बहुत ऑर्गेनिकली आता हो. That has to be like a very joyful, energetic personality.
And most underestimated role in an organization.
I really
also.
think that, yeah.
And that's true. Also, you have to really understand what the customer is going through to first listen to them, and then move towards delighting them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you just go with a plan made in an office and then tell कि आप ये 4 चीजें
automated से replies कर दोगे, तो कस्टमर भी आपकी ब्रांड के साथ नहीं कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं. Tiggle is a very wholesome brand. If I use like one word to describe what Tiggle is, it's a very wholesome, joyful brand. उसका customer experience cannot be, hey, here's your tracking ID, thank you.
What do you do differently in that?
I think just the way we communicate. If you send us a message, a lot of messages are very कि मेरा tracking ID दे दो. But a lot of them are also very where you need to reply in a very customized manner. So a couple of things which we do differently is we know we have to take names twice or thrice to make them feel heard. The kind of emoticons, emojis you use when you're speaking, when you're chatting with somebody plays a major role. Small thing, big impact, right? Also, some of the things which also works is sometimes the query which customer is asking us, हमें भी नहीं पता उसका आंसर क्या, हमें लगेगा 15 मिनट, but just one reply and a fast reply कि hey, I am Anushka, the person who do our leading that. Hey, I am Anushka, this is what I do at Tiggle, and I'm here to help you till the time this is solved. Give me 50. Like, just assuring them.
No, but have you processed these replies?
Oh yeah, we have.
You have. So you know which
We have fast
emoticons
replies.
to use.
Yes. We have like fixed ones.
Okay.
Cannot go beyond, because
Yeah.
if Anushka is not doing and somebody else in the team is doing,
Yeah.
it has to be same.
That's
right?
what.
Yeah.
So it's a part of a process
Yeah,
now
yeah.
that you want
we
to
have
give.
the whole the fast replies and everything is there.
Okay.
So, but just the way you talk, right? Sometimes Anushka will just call. Customer बहुत परेशान है, उसका order नहीं आया, कुछ delivery में mess हो गया. So just doing the effort कि मैं call करके इसको बोल देती हूँ परेशान मत हो.
Scale पे कैसे करोगे आप ये सब?
Yeah, I really think that's a very nice question which we are also trying to figure out. Is a lot of queries are very repetitive, right? So we have what we have done in the Shark Tank phase where we got like 2 to 2,000. Right? We started using tools where we can have fixed replies. Now those fixed replies also goes through a template, right? So the copy you are writing in your replies plays a role. Thank you for ordering versus thank you for choosing Tiggle. This is what we do. This is what we are a team. So we send this Shark Tank के टाइम पे ऑर्डर्स बहुत लेट हो रहे थे, कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था, होने ही थे लेट. तो हमने टीम की पूरी फोटो ली, द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टीम standing in Tiggle t-shirts with the products in hands. We are working on this and send this to all the people जिनका order late हो गया था. And so many people after that they tag you on stories. So right, or they send DMs. So people talk on different platforms which you can read now. Talking कि यार order बहुत late हो गया था, but I was happy that they sent an email saying this. They informed us.
In many things that you're saying, you're referring to Instagram, and your brand is very strong on Instagram also. A lot of entrepreneurs want to start there, especially the young audience right now, who think that, like you rightly mentioned, we can start developing a funnel, put a few ads, and then maybe you start using Meta, and then it starts flowing. What's your advice for this audience who wants to start their business on Instagram? How to make it a hit quickly?
So there are two parts of it. One is what you are creating organically versus you are doing ads, which is inorganic part of things. In organically, our strategy is very simple. We want to share the behind the scenes with you. I think I was telling you the other day also, right? We have this series called What's Up Tiggle series. The tagline of the series is called Behind the Scenes, Raw and Real Stories from Behind the Scenes of Building a Brand.
Right.
Where we share everything. Now, as we are also growing, it gets hard to be consistent for me because ये भी चल रहा है, but I've made a point कि यार ये तो करना ही है, because this is one of the ways we connect with the audience. So organic strategy हमारी बहुत simple है. We have to build a brand where people feel कि if Debojit follows us on Instagram, Debojit should feel कि यार मैं Tiggle की journey का part हूँ. उनसे questions पूछो आप कि ये करें या नहीं करें, and genuinely take feedback. what they're saying. Do that. Right? So that just became a part of the organic strategy we do at Tiggle. We share behind the scenes. We share आज क्या हो रहा है. We share आज हमारा Blinkit का order था जो नहीं deliver हो पाया क्योंकि ये mess हो गया. तो बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें, बुरी चीजें हम सब share करते हैं.
Tell me, Anubha, if you think of you're very young and there's a long way to go from here, but imagining retirement, on that day, what's the vision of Tiggle?
Yeah, I think ये तो आपने बहुत आगे का क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया. Never thought of like retirement or that way, but I'll tell you what I think of Tiggle today. I really think कि हमारा जो जनरेशन है ना बहुत हसल कल्चर, बहुत रशी है, right? We in Tiggle also we say that adulting deserves a time out too.
Yes, that's your tagline, right?
That's our tagline. Adulting deserves a time out too. That's what your the chocolate drinks will do to you. Just helps. It's a great way to relax. Coffee gives you the high, right? And chocolate drinks on the other hand, at the end of the day when you enjoy it alone with your friends, just calms you down. So we want to create that whole experience and really stand by what we say. Adulting deserves a time out too. One.
Let's maybe move a little bit to the personal changes that happened because of the journey of Tiggle as an entrepreneur. Firstly, a little about Shark Tank, and the show happened, and it was a very interesting episode. Lots of ups and downs came during those 15 minutes. Also, I'm sure the shoot would have been longer.
Yes.
So, tell us a little bit about who do you think is the best shark, and what changed in you after the episode got aired.
I'm not answering the first one. But yeah, it was a 1 hour 55 minutes का full shoot जो
You
हुआ
got
था.
15 minutes only.
You got 15 minutes और मेरा ना उस दिन last shoot था.
Okay.
The-
Late evening.
हाँ, I remember मैं टैंक के अंदर गई थी 9:15 बजे के आसपास.
Hmm.
तभी मुझे अमित भी मुझे बोल रहे थे जल्दी जल्दी करो सब डिसीजन लो. I was taking a lot of time taking the decision. Namita was also like फटाफट करो because everybody was very tired.
हाँ.
रात बज रहे हैं and that was also nice for Tiggle. थक गए हो ना पियो Tiggle आराम से enjoy that. So this is what happened. A lot of fun things also happened जो
Yeah.
15 मिनट में नहीं आ पाई. What changed, Debojit, I think the only thing that became easy is अब हम किसी को cold reach out करते हैं पार्टनरशिप के लिए तो वो थोड़ा आसान हो गया. People know Tiggle. उनको पूरा एपिसोड नहीं भी याद रहेगा क्योंकि बहुत शॉर्ट मेमोरी होती है ना. बट उस टाइम पे इतनी रील्स बनने लग गई थी तो उससे भी लोगों को टिगल याद रह जाए. आई वॉज वेयरिंग अ टिगल टी शर्ट सबसे बड़ी बात. तो
Orange.
ऑरेंज टिगल लिखा हुआ है तो पीपल आर नो कि टिगल तो है कुछ तो नोन ब्रांड है. तो वो एक आसान चीज़ हो गई है. उसके अलावा मुझे लगता है आपको जो पहले महीने 2 महीने बहुत बूस्ट मिलता है वो हेल्प्ड अस इन अ वे कि इट हेल्प. आपका मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट तो नहीं है ना वो तो कम हो गया ना बिल्कुल. लेकिन आप मनी इज कमिंग इन राइट सो यू गेट लाइक good cash flow for the next couple of months. Now how you use that cash flow is another thing. So those are two things that changed. But I still feel we are very early in the journey. We are still figuring out a lot more things to take care of after Shark Tank now. So yeah.
No, but even if you don't want to answer the first question, you can tell us about your views on what do you
I
think
think
each shark, whomever you want to kind of mention, stood out for. How was the experience there, and post that also in terms of you being in touch and keep and learning or not learning from them. What was the journey in that?
I'll start. So I think with Piyush, it was a very somehow I just understood कि हम टिगल में क्या build करना चाहते हैं. On the tank also, and after the tank also, I met him once in their office with their whole team. तो a lot of ideas were coming. क्या करना है जैसे अभी हम in Tiggle we are also getting into the largest category for chocolate drinks which is kids. So we have the plans in the next quarter to work with 100 mothers.
Lovely.
Selective 100 mothers.
Lovely.
To build for kids, right? फिर बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ होते हैं. आप जब 5-6 लोग बैठ के ना ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कर रहे हो तो बहुत आइडियाज़ ऐसे होते हैं जो कंपनी के साथ अलाइन नहीं करते हैं. लेकिन आप भटक जाते हो वाला सिचुएशन. तो वो पीयूष को समझ में आया कि ये कंपनी का जो डीएनए है वो ये है, इससे मत तुम भटको. आई थिंक फॉर मी दैट वाज देयर एट द टैंक आल्सो एंड आफ्टर टैंक आल्सो लाइक जस्ट द कनेक्शन विद पीयूष. Very humble personality also in general.
Yeah.
With Amit, I think he was very supportive in the tank. Plus another, because Amit was also there, part of the deal. So Amit also, I met him through a Zoom call. And one thing I shared with you, he suggested me to get into like hire the customer experience फटाफट से.
Yes.
Other thing he suggested is कि अनुवा आँख बंद करके I think one thing जो मुझे लगता है आपको करना चाहिए is kids range को prioritize करना चाहिए. जब उन्होंने मुझे बोला था ना मुझे लगता था हम करेंगे. बट ये 2 महीने पुरानी बात ही है जब उनसे बात हुई है और अभी मुझे पता है कि इट हैज़ टू बी द P0 at Tiggle. Market size and all of those things. So that was one. I think in general, post tank, at tank he was very supportive. So when you have like this one person, you can just have eye contact with that one person and just be more calm.
On the tank, I agree. And so if you have to choose between Amit and Piyush,
that I'll not answer. But I also don't think ऐसे you can choose. है ना? I don't think you can choose. Yeah. Even if it was not a podcast, it's hard to choose anyone, particularly between Amit and Piyush, because unse I've had a conversation beyond Shark Tank.
right?
So yeah. Then with Namita also it was brilliant. So she sits in the middle, okay. Now my eye contact is with her, and she was very smiley during the whole shoot which I had. So I think with Namita, and I would love to text her this thing. Thanks for the reminder. Is I got my energy in those 2 hours from Namita. Just because everything
She
I was
kept
saying,
smiling.
she kept smiling. She kept from her expression telling me कि सही जा रहे हो, गलत जा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो.
Very nice.
Without saying a word.
Lovely.
So that was nice. With Anupam, so it was a lot of fun. I really feel कि वो सब कुछ नहीं आया, but with him it was super fun conversation. He was वो बहुत चिल हो गए थे वैसे भी लास्ट एपिसोड तक, आई थिंक. Then there was Azhar. Azhar gave me very nice feedback, and actually Anupam also gave me very nice feedback in the shoot. उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बोली थी कि अनुवा अभी तक तो हो गया ना, what you do in the next 12 months to 24 months ना will define कि कहाँ टिगल जाएगा.
Right.
कुछ वो एक पिवट की बात चल रही थी, तो उन्होंने उस पर फीडबैक दिया था. वो भी बहुत मुझे लगता है द बिगेस्ट थिंग ऑफ शार्क टैंक वाज द फीडबैक यू गेट. आपके दिमाग में हमेशा आइडियाज़ होते हैं, लेकिन आप जब उन लोगों से वैलिडेट हो जाते हैं देन यू नो कि हाँ शायद मैं सही सोच रही हूँ, मैं एक्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, उसमें मुझे करना चाहिए.
No, very true and very nicely put also.
Now you tell me your favorite shark.
I will. Maybe after the shoot I'll give you candid feedback.
Yeah.
But Anuva, help me understand, as a person, individually, are there any fears that bother you that this might go wrong? And this is when you're talking to yourself, because most of us don't take this courageous call of entrepreneurship because of some fears that constantly bother us.
Yeah.
What are they for you?
I think for me it has been one for a very long time. I have a fear of failure. और वो है, और वो अच्छी बात नहीं है, क्योंकि when you have a fear of failure आप बहुत over analyze भी कर लेते हो कभी-कभी, और बहुत क्यूट जीना इतना डर के ना, बट मुझे पता है क्यों जीना, बट है वो. So that is one thing which I want to work, and I would love, your feedback also, and in general, like how to be out of that fear of failure. Yeah.
I mean, if you ask me, I think imagining the worst helps a lot.
Yes.
And if you put yourself in that empathetic situation to say that the worst has happened and I'm still okay. And therefore now in the journey I might never reach the worst, and whatever happens in between also I am okay, because in the worst also I am okay. We feel that the worst should not happen, but we would still want to do it.
Yeah.
Assuming that is stupidity. You have to imagine the worst and be okay with that, and only then do it. If you're not okay with the worst outcome of your steps, then don't do it.
Yeah, fair. That's a fair word. Like, what's the worst which can happen if Tiggle doesn't work out?
Yes.
Or if this journey doesn't work out, right?
Yes.
It's not as bad. As well.
I mean, I run an organization called Cracked, and almost every day, one very small part of me tells me what will happen if Cracked is not there tomorrow. And I realize that Cracked is born out of passion, and therefore I can build 100 other organizations with the same passion and energy and enthusiasm and positivity. Why am I worrying so much about this?
Yeah. कि नहीं work out किया.
हाँ, and the kind of learning that will come in, irrespective of whether it works out or not, for fellow entrepreneurs, it's insane.
Yes.
That would have never come up if I would have continued working.
Yes.
And that's I think the best way to deal with what will happen if this doesn't work out.
That's a very fair point. One thing which I saw in the journey, पहले जब starting का 1.5 year starting of the journey, कुछ भी अगर if anything goes wrong, I'll stress out. Right? And that's very visible. So I'm a person with those expression कि अगर मैं sad हूँ तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. If I'm happy, आपको पता चल जाएगा. I don't need to utter a word for that.
This will change over time, I'm sure.
I get like furious.
Yeah.
And now, abhi, this May month only, like a lot of ups and downs and all of that. Any mess which happens ना, तो the first thought is नहीं कि यार shit ये कैसे हो गया. Now is चलो बताओ solution क्या है.
Right.
तो वो change मैं already देखती हूँ.
Professional maturity.
Professional maturity, also like personal journey. Yeah, you're right. Like the whole journey.
Yeah, the journey takes you there, and it has nothing to do with age actually. It's how much exposure and experience you have got.
बहुत calm.
Yes.
आ जाता है, right?
Yeah, that's the sthir manushya that they talk about in Bhagavad Gita. Okay. That's where eventually we are supposed to reach. And where you're not too buoyant because of victory and not too saddened because of loss.
Oh yes, right.
And thus MS Dhoni is a great example of that. And do you cry?
Oh, I cry a lot. That's my first reaction to any mess, any problem.
Publicly or with people or alone, or how does it happen?
Realize, no, I'll cry. I prefer crying in my own space, not publicly. But my emotions are I'm a very vulnerable person, and that's how we are building team also, right? Like if I'm sad about something, right, and if I'm in a state where I am about to burst in my head, I cannot pretend to be very happy and jolly when I'm speaking with my team. And that's also what you should not do, I think. Because I'm vulnerable with my team also, I've realized they are also same with me. They also reflect the same thing to me. They will not say कि अनवा यहाँ मैं तो यहाँ ये चीज़ जाके किल कर सकती हूँ. They will be okay कि यार ये मुझे नहीं आता. और मुझे लगता है मैं यहाँ पे मैं कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. तो मुझे लगता था कि यार this attitude where you cry and that's from person to person.
It's a sign of weakness.
It's a sign of weakness, but it's not.
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Being vulnerable is one of the nicest things you can do for yourself as well as for your team. Most times when I have not shared something with my team is when I was in trouble. When I've shared कि यार ये problem है और मुझसे नहीं deal हो पा रहा है, team has sat together, we figured it out much faster than what I could have done crying and figuring it out myself.
And tell me, do you always say the truth? Professionally asking.
I'm a very so in Tiggle, by the way, this culture thing went kind of caught up, right? Because of the Shark Tank thing. हमारे culture में हमारे पास सच में 34 page long that going or becoming like the highlight of the Shark Tank episode was not planned ever. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. But it so rightfully went out and became the highlight because we do have a 34 page long document in culture about
document.
culture.
Oh wow.
And one of the things, a lot of pointers we have. One of the pointers is being straightforward with your feedback. If I have a problem with you, I have to sit with you and share the feedback, not with the third person. If you love something about me, come and tell me. This is what I love about you. This is what I think you can improve. So overall, we are very, not just me, what team we have right now of 16 people is also very honest. They share feedback very candidly. Obviously, you have to be very okay with the idea of not sharing with in front of a lot of people and keeping it one-on-one. But yeah.
Why do they look up to you, you think?
I think I look up to my team members as well a
Of course.
lot.
But what's their reason as per you?
I think only one thing which I can think of is I have this like one thing which I know I'm good at is I have this habit of chalo try karte hain. That's the only thing. There's nothing else which is exceptional. अच्छा ये problem है चलो ये चीज़ try करते हैं. When there are a lot of things which I also learned in my own journey. When I started, I had like 10 months, 12 months का experience. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि कोई corporate job से आ रहे हो तो आपको experience है कि team कैसे बनाते हैं, leadership क्या होती है, नहीं पता था कुछ भी. Thanks to YouTube, thanks to a lot of podcasts which I heard, thanks to a lot of books and thanks to a lot of people I connected myself with. I think this is one thing which I emphasize a lot is आप किन लोगों के साथ उठ रहे हो, बैठ रहे हो और किन लोगों को अपने ग्रुप में और सर्कल में ला रहे हो. जो 18 लोग 20 लोग मैंने रीच आउट करे एट द टाइम ऑफ माय फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप, आई लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम. आई स्टिल रीच आउट टू 2-3 ऑफ देम कि यार ये प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं हो रहा. देन one of the nicest things is in my journey I've been very lucky with the kind of mentors I got in life. There was this course at IIM Bangalore, Goldman, they select a few startups and all. I met Professor Sunil Handa there.
Okay.
One of the known
quite well known.
Yes, right. So glad to you know him.
Yes.
He was very excited what I was building. He helped me a lot. Today also I'll call him कि sir ये problem है बताओ. तो अब आप like when you learn from people like Professor Sunil Handa is one आप खुद की भी जर्नी में इतने हो जाते हो तो we started documenting the other culture we are trying to put with everybody is there on our street also, the culture of documentation from day one. From where did I learn this? I learned from Professor Sunil Handa. He said to me, उनसे आप मिलने जाओ तो उनके पास ना इतनी बड़ी बुक है. जो नंबर मैंने उनको पहली बार एक जूम कॉल में बोला था उनके पास वो नंबर था.
Such a great learning to take.
So I think I was lucky. I was lucky in the mentorship, in the kind of mentors I got. Plus I also think I've worked hard reaching out to people.
Absolutely. And I think we started the episode with the fact that you kept reaching out, kept wanting to learn. Curiosity are some of the key skills that are clearly visible. That has gotten you here. Last question. If you have to leave something with the audience, and we have a very young audience for Barta India Dekho who are sitting in the tier 2, 3, 4 cities of our country. You're from Agra, I'm from Kharagpur, and you would understand therefore what I'm saying.
Yeah.
What is the thought that you would want to leave with them if they also have to pursue their aspirations, their dreams? What would that be?
I think exactly what was what it was for me. Get your hands dirty. If दिमाग में कुछ भी आया है, कोई एक्टिविटी आई है, कोई स्टार्टअप आइडिया आया है, कुछ भी आया है, हम लोग ना बहुत सोचते रहते हैं उसके बारे में, फिर उसके बाद बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर करेंगे. लेस इन्फॉर्मेशन इज समटाइम्स गुड ओनली, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर young, when you're starting out. I think I'm also so early in my journey. I don't have like something like an advice today. What has worked for me is always being okay with the idea of getting my hands dirty. And I think also what you said, कि क्या ही हो जाएगा, what's the worst that can happen, right? So I think that is one, like कुछ आया है दिमाग में तो कर लो. And be okay with the idea of exposing yourself. Like expose yourself to new things. Expose yourself to a new sport. Expose yourself to a new skill जो आपके घर में किसी ने नहीं सीखा, आपने सोचा नहीं मैं सीखूंगा, बट आपको पता चला तो आप सीखो उसको. बिकॉज जो होता था मेरे साथ, मेरे रिलेटिव्स मुझे, मेरी मम्मी को बोलते थे ये तो 10 चीज़ें सीखती है, कंटिन्यू तो नहीं करती. आई लर्न गिटार, मैंने अगले 1.5 महीने में छोड़ दिया. मैं कुछ भी बैडमिंटन, स्केटिंग नहीं कंटिन्यू किया. स्विमिंग आई डिड, आई स्टिल स्विम. राइटिंग, बहुत सारी चीज़ें की, फिर एक राइटिंग की, वो मैंने कंटिन्यू किया. तो जब आप 10-15 नहीं पता होता ना लोगों को कि मेरा पैशन क्या है आज, बट व्हेन यू डू 20 थिंग्स, एक्सपोज योरसेल्फ टू 20 थिंग्स, देन यू नो these are 2 which I can continue.
Correct. And I think ये क्या कहेंगे लोग सिंड्रोम से भी अगर आप बाहर आ सकते हो जल्दी in your life, it helps. Because I think why people don't experiment is the fear of that failure and that little embarrassment they will get if they fail, even in front of their family. Forget about the world. तो उसको ओवरकम करके 15-20 चीज़ें ट्राई करो. मे बी यू विल हिट 1 or 2 थिंग्स. इवन इफ यू डोंट, यू एटलीस्ट नो ये 20 नहीं करने अपने लाइफ में आगे जाके. एंड देयरफॉर यू कैन कीप एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एज यू मूव अलोंग टिल यू फाइंड, लाइक स्टीव जॉब्स हैज फेमसली सेड, राइट, दैट जस्ट लाइक योर पर्सनल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी यू नो व्हेन यू आर इन लव. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट नो वन हैज टू कम एंड टेल यू दैट यही प्यार है. और आप वहाँ पहुँच जाते हो तो देन यू पिक इट अप एंड देन लाइफ follows. But जब तक you haven't found it, keep looking. Don't settle. Right, and keep finding out. Right. Thank you very much, Anubha, for coming. Coming to Barta India Dekho. This is for the new India, as we call Bharat, who wants to do something. And there's a lot of scope now with mobiles also. I mean, internet also being so well spread across our towns and villages of our country. I run a company where we are working with villages and towns. और कुछ होना हो, मोबाइल और इंटरनेट तो वहाँ आ गया है. एंड इफ दिस यूट्यूब एपिसोड दैट वी आर मेकिंग टुगेदर कैन चेंज वन लिटिल थिंग इन देम सो दैट दे स्टार्ट मे बी ट्राइंग न्यू थिंग्स, एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, आई थिंक इट वुड बी अ बिग सक्सेस. थैंक्स टू यू फॉर गिविंग देम दैट एक्सेस. थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग टू बर्ता इंडिया देखो. थैंक्स.